Hi there guys and gals, good evening. Take a look at this fireworks displays here in the heart of the city. Wow! See that? Wonderful! Fantastic! Hold on. Sparkling! Wow! It's raining out here guys and gals, but it's some kind of a blessing. The rain falling together with the fireworks. Gosh, splendid, spectacular. Oh my gosh. See that? Advance Merry Christmas!